Hey guys, this is Kevin Potter, and I'm going to show you how to make a silver cuff bracelet. This belongs to a friend of mine and it's all worn out, so we're going to make her a new one. So I'm going to start with a piece of sterling silver and we're going to roll it out into a strip to make a bracelet cuff. Don't mind the large mill, but this is all I got. So now we have our sheet. It's about 18 gauge silver, and what I'm going to do next is texture it with a hammered texture. Let's go anneal it. So I kind of estimated the length, just like, we're close, probably about an inch extra. So when you do this process, we're going to make a flat cuff. So we're going to use a flat die. So, here's our cuff. And you can kind of tweak it and bend it a little bit. But the next thing we're going to do, we're going to take these old rivets off and we are going to rivet this plate to this cuff. So this is how we're going to make a rivet using our drill press. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to cut that head off so I can use it. Here is our rivet. The next thing we're going to do, we are going to drill 2 holes. So the way I like to do this, I like to do them 1 hole at a time. I'm just going to use a ball burr, but make sure your ball burr is about the same size as your hole for your part. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is hammer this rivet down. Take my saw, cut this thing down. Next, I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side. So what's going to happen next to the cuff, we're going to polish it. And this is the Be Not Afraid cuff. Thanks for watching.